at IIM Lucknow. A privilege because I am speaking at an institute that represents the finest of among India's intellectual capital. A responsibility because I am not just speaking to students of management, I am speaking to the potential architects of the new India. My dear students, जब मैं आपको देखता हूं तो मुझे संभावना दिखाई देती है, एक विकसित भारत की संभावना। मुझे एक सपना नजर आता है, सर्वश्रेष्ठ भारत का सपना, और मुझे विश्वास महसूस होता है उस भारत पर विश्वास जिसे कोई रोक नहीं सकता। लेकिन ये संभावना, ये सपना और ये विश्वास आज की मुद्रा नहीं है, ये भविष्य का भरोसा है। And it is about this belief in the future that I want to speak, that the future never unfolds as neatly as it appears in a classrooms. The future is messy, uncertain, and often brutal. And this is what you must be prepared to face. I have learned and still continue to learn that the real world is made up of moments that have no precedents. And when these unprecedented moments come, where the data is ambiguous, where the business models break down, and where the road ahead is unmarked, I have come to realize that success is not defined by how well you studied your business cases. It is defined by you being able to make your own story a case study. History is not made by how well we execute existing models. It is made by our courage and leadership to build a new pathways. वक्त की रेत पर चलने से इतिहास नहीं बनते, इतिहास वो बनाते हैं जो अपनी राह खुद तराशते हैं। So I stand before you today the map itself to challenge your very definition of leadership, to urge you to adopt a philosophy that dares to choose conviction over caution, consequence over comfort, and conscience over convenience, and conscience over convenience. ये सिर्फ नारे नहीं है, ये वो फैसले हैं जो मेरी असली लड़ाइयों, साहसी दावों और बेहद नीची क्षणों से आकार पाए हैं। और अब मैं आपको हर एक फैसले के पीछे की कहानी सुनाऊंगा, वो जो मेरी राह की अग्नि परीक्षा बने और मेरी पहचान गढ़ी। My dear students, looking back, I can tell you that every meaningful journey I have taken has almost always faced moments where my resources ran dry and my support systems failed. Only one thing always remained with me: the burning convictions that my bold dreams were worth the struggle. I have always believed that anything worthwhile achieving will test you. It will strip away your safety nets, challenge your assumptions.
उत्तराखंड में भारी बारिश के बाद मेरठ में भी गंगा पूरे उफान पर है। गंगा का रौद्र रूप अब